Hi, I'm Maddie and this is the Roboshooter from Think Gizmo, and he's absolutely awesome because not only is he a remote control robot, but he will also shoot foam discs out of his body onto unsuspecting suspects. All you need to do is lift up his head and place the foam discs inside and he's loaded up and ready to go. So let's see him in action. He's operated by AA batteries and you just turn him on at the back here using this switch, and then to get him started you just press go. Well, listen to that. Greetings, Master. He is mine to command. He's very obedient. And now we have the remote control, which has various buttons so you can move him around. Firstly, he will do a dance. Quite the mover. Quite the... Mission accomplished. Quite the mover, I think you'll agree. He will walk forwards. And he will slide backwards. He'll also slide forwards and walk backwards as well. So on top of that, the most important thing is the gun. And he's got it up already, so if I just... Identify yourself or I will shoot. Pretty scary. Identify yourself or... Identify yourself or I will shoot. Okay, so now I'm going to get him ready for firing. It's your last chance. It's your last chance. Ready? Oh. And we're... Oh. And of course we'd finish with a little dance. Mission accomplished. What else can I say? Mission accomplished.